In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name on Nexcess before verification using our 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Nexcess or just need a refresher, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you make the change smoothly. Let's get started by heading to the Nexcess client portal. First off, log in using your credentials. If you don't have those handy, pause the video, grab your login details, and return to pick up right where you left off. Once inside the portal, the next step is navigating to your plans. You'll want to click on Go to Plans and select the website or store where you want to change the domain. It's important to choose the correct site if you have multiple ones listed to avoid any confusion or unintended disruptions. Now, with your selected site ready, click on Open the Site Dashboard. This will take you to the hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. It's your control center, if you will, and the place where we'll make our changes. Then moving along to the left panel, locate and click on Domains. This section lists all the domain-related information linked to your site. You'll see a field prompting you to enter your new domain name. Remember, do not include https// Just type the domain precisely as you want it to appear. This is a simple, yet often overlooked bit that can lead to frustration if not entered correctly. Once you've entered the new name, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. Think of this as locking in your progress so far. However, we aren't verifying the domain just yet. First, we need to update your DNS-A record with your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. The goal here is to point your domain to the Nexcess IP address. You can find your specific IP address under the DNS info section within the dashboard. Updating the A record can take some time to propagate, and patience is key. It might take a few minutes to several hours, so be sure to allow ample time before moving to the final steps. Once DNS propagation is complete, a quick way to check this is by using online DNS check tools. Return to Nexcess and verify the new domain. This action confirms the change and ensures that everything has been correctly set up. After successful verification, your site will now load with its new domain name. Congratulations! You've navigated the entire process of changing your domain name on Nexcess, and now your website should reflect this update seamlessly. If there are any issues, revisit the steps to troubleshoot or reach out to Nexcess support for assistance. Thank you for following along and happy web managing.